This is a Ford Laser. Now to remove this radio, there's two side strips that have got to come out. So one each side. If you can get something in the side to lever it out. And be careful because I just broke that one. But if you're careful enough, you'll never know. So they are thin. I'll get it from this side. And pull that out. There we go. Now, if the camera focuses, it'll be good. Now I've been told you can get away with using one set of removal keys to get these out, but I don't think that's true actually. I think you need two sets. I know you can always get it out with two sets, that's fine. So one here, and then the next one above it. And then put pressure on going, so where am I? There. Put pressure on that way, on both sets, and pull it out. So if you do it all at once, it'll come out for you. Obviously, if I'm only... I don't know if I can hold this. Here we go. I could hold it like that maybe. Da-da-da. Anyway, so it's coming out, but it's a bit stuck. So what it's getting stuck on is the little rubber support on the back of the head unit. So it's just a matter of taking your time to get it out. Right, so I've used two hands. Didn't take long, it only took another like 10 seconds. Just holding both hands out, just wiggling it until it come out. But I'll show you that rubber support. That little rubber thing sticking out the back. Just get stuck on that because it goes in the hole that's down there. Then your radio's out, unplug it, and you're done.